If you want to get the Samsung Messages app on Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case you want to go to the Galaxy Store app. Of course, to be able to use it, we need to have a Samsung account. Now here in the upper right corner, we can use this magnifying glass in order to start searching. Then here at the bottom, we're gonna use the search option, the search field that is, and we can type Samsung Messages. There we go. Now we can tap on this arrow on the right side in order to start downloading immediately, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find the install button here at the bottom of the screen. And then once the app is installed, you can open it from the Galaxy Store in here, or you can just go to the app drawer and you can open it here. Of course, if you open the app for the first time, we need to grant certain permissions and set it up, which is pretty simple. We need to tap on OK, and we need to switch the default messaging app. So we need to switch to the Samsung Messages if you want to use it, and then tap on Set as Default. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.